I have completely fallen for you. Everything you do, everything you say, everything you are. In your eyes I've found my home. In your heart I have found my love. In your soul I have found my mate. Your presence makes me feel so rich and complete. I love you for all that you are, all that you have been, and all that you are yet to be. I was a little late to be your first, but I'm prepared to be your last. You are my life, my inspiration, my strength, and my soulmate. I love you forever.
I promise to love you with all of my heart, to always make you happy, protect you and our family, to hold you close to me at all times. I look forward to traveling this long road together. We'll be together. We can do anything, conquer anything. You look beautiful to me today, and I know you always will for the rest of your life. I love you.
When she first told me about the two of you, she was gushing. She told me there was no guessing with you. She'd finally met her man who was sure of himself and knew what he wanted. And you've always made her feel like a princess and taken care of her in a way she'd never been taken care of before. You gave her the fairy tale romance she almost convinced herself didn't exist. Thank you. Thank you for being the reason her face aches from smiling so hard. Thank you for lifting her when she feels like she can't quite reach. For supporting her in everything, encouraging and motivating her. For building with her, making her feel and keeping her safe. For allowing her to be her true self in every form. Michelle, you found the perfect complement for you. To love, laughter, and happily ever after. To Michelle and Stan. Cheers.